Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn 10 useful English idioms. Ready? Let's go. Number 1. Drive or send somebody round the bend. It means to make someone extremely annoyed, frustrated, or almost crazy. Examples: the constant buzzing of the mosquito is driving me around the bend. His endless complaining sent her round the bend. Working under that pressure would drive anyone round the bend. The kid's noise during the meeting nearly sent him round the bend. Number 2. Feel it in one's bones. It means to strongly sense something is true without having clear proof for it. Examples: I feel it in my bones that something bad is going to happen. She felt it in her bones that this decision was right. He couldn't explain it, but he felt it in his bones they would win. From the start, I felt it in my bones that we would succeed. Number 3. To pick up the bill. It means to pay for something, especially for others. Some examples: don't worry about dinner. I'll pick up the bill. He always picks up the bill when we go out. The company picked up the bill for the entire trip. She insisted on picking up the bill as a thank you. Number 4. Come back down to earth with a bump. It means to suddenly return to reality after unrealistic expectations or excitement. For example, after dreaming of success, he came down to earth with a bump when the plan failed. She thought the test would be easy, but came back down to earth with a bump. Their early victory made them confident, but defeat brought them down to earth with a bump. He quickly came back down to earth with a bump after hearing the bad news. Number 5. Stand one's ground. It means to refuse to change your opinion or position despite pressure. Here are some examples. She stood her ground during the argument. He stood his ground even when everyone disagreed. You have to stand your ground if you believe you're right. The teacher stood her ground against unfair criticism. 6. Stick the knife in. It means to deliberately say or do something hurtful, especially when someone is already vulnerable. Examples: he lost the game and his teammate really stuck the knife in with harsh comments. She just didn't criticize him. She stuck the knife in publicly. When he failed, others stuck the knife in instead of helping. It felt like she was sticking the knife in by reminding him of his mistakes. 7. Bang one's head against a brick wall. It means to waste time trying to do something impossible or dealing with someone stubborn. Examples: talking to him is like banging your head against a brick wall. I've tried everything. It feels like I'm banging my head against a brick wall. Negotiating with them was like banging our heads against a brick wall. Teaching someone who won't listen is like banging your head against a brick wall. 8. Scare the living daylights out of someone. It means to frighten someone extremely. For example, you scared the living daylights out of me. The sudden noise scared the living daylights out of everyone. The horror movie scared the living daylights out of her. The storm at night scared the living daylights out of the children. Number 9. Against all the odds. It means despite very low chances of success. For example, against all the odds, they won the match. She succeeded against all the odds. He built a business against all the odds. Against all the odds, they survived the accident. And the last idiom for today is hit someone where it hurts, or hit someone where it hurts most. It means to hurt someone emotionally in their most sensitive area. Examples: the loss of money hit them where it hurts most. She knew exactly how to hit him where it hurts in an argument. He hit her where it hurts most by criticizing her family. So that's it for today, 10 useful English idioms that you can start using right away. Try to pick 2 or 3 of these idioms and create your own sentences in the comments. See you in the next video. Bye!